blue color, green color, and this is a red color. I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kangaroo, L for lamb, M for moon, N for necklace, O for octopus, P for princess, Q for queen, and number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's paint. Green color, I for ice cream, J for jelly, K for kangaroo, L for lamb, M for moon, yellow color, N for necklace, O for octopus, P for princess, and Q for queen. Red color, number 6, 7, number 8, 9, and number 10. Let's repeat. IJKLMNOPQ. Number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I hope you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe for next part. Bye bye.